Hello everyone, this is Luca Geroli. We are at Integrate 2019 at the TM Stagetec booth. I would like to introduce you something new from DirectOut, which is the new modular converter, the Prodigy MC. MC stands for modular converter, is our brand new modular converter, which is the let's say, the evolution of our very well-known Andiamo series. Here's the biggest news is that we have a modular approach, which means that you can select for every single local I/O slot 8-channel modules which can fit the rear of the device, and you can fill up to 64 input and output channels, selecting modules from line level input, line level output, mic pre-input, line level output, AES3 input and output with or without sample rate converter. On top of that, you have two MADI I/O for up to 128 channels input and output, and the biggest news is that you have one slot for the audio over IP module, which can be selected between Dante, Ravenna AES67 and Waves SoundGrid. Globcon is the neutral, let's say, free of charge software to control DirectOut and other products, and we have here the full implementation of the Prodigy MC plugin. You can see a bunch of examples here with the Globcon Eye, where you can have a look of multiple channels in a very limited amount of real estate. You can control input and output, where you have possibility to trim the level of input and output. You can trim any input digital or analog signals. You can have a complete routing system, selecting port routing, or a complete matrix where you can have on a per channel possibility in terms of patching. But probably the most interesting news is that you can have a built-in LTC reader, just selecting one of the incoming signals as the LTC source. In this particular case, we are selecting the first channels of Dante. We can switch on and on the LTC reader, and we can open our panel. With that, we can also trigger snapshot. Let's make an example. We start from the scratch, we go to the snapshot, we prepared some triggers ready to be listened, some LTC. As you can see, already one trigger arrived, just because we were in the timing that we wanted to trigger the snapshot. There you go, another one is coming. There you go, and you see that the snapshot is automatically recalled with this new feature, which is the LTC reader. The time is running fast, so if you want to have more information, please log on www.directout.eu.